Hi, welcome to my shop again. Well, we are all hunkered down in our homes and we're not able to get out and visit or join meetings. So we miss some of our turning club members and not being able to catch up and see what's going on. So I have developed, and a number of other of the major turners have developed a new way of having a meeting. We're going to do it in the comfort and safety of your own home. And I've done it already, and many of us have. Last week I was in New Jersey with 57 people in the audience. It works great. It's a interactive, live, over the internet demonstration, and if you're part of a club and want to keep connected with your club and keep uh, the turning enthusiasm going, we can do a demo for you. It's a quick and easy
And free.
download of an app and a join of a meeting. It doesn't take any technical skills, any computer skills. I am proof of that. If I can do it, anybody can do it because I don't get along with computers very well. But have your program chair or board give me a call or an email. Share with them the concept and how we go about it. It's real simple. The club doesn't need anything. Just the individuals will log on to a meeting right in your home. Um, I'm using this now that I have the capability. I'm using this now, and you could too for personal reasons. I'm using it for, I got together with all of my brothers and sisters all over the country. I got together with my wife's brothers and sisters all over the country. Even have my 5 kids and my 7 grandkids all on the screen at the same time. It was a hoot. So there are other ways to use this technology. Once you introduce it to your club members, they'll have a ball with it. Let me know if you're interested. If your club is interested in hosting a gathering like this by broadcasting to your household instead of meeting in a group. So thanks for watching. Keep in touch and stay safe. And we'll see you soon, I hope.